let's talk about Stalker error code that allows fix launch failure in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step. But don't give up hope just yet, fellow Stalker. Today, we're not just going to stare at that error code. We're going to hunt it down and understand why it's happening, and arm you with the ultimate arsenal of fixes. Get ready to reclaim your journey into the zone, because we're getting you past that launch failure and into the heart of Stalker.
Before we dive deep, let's cover the basics. Often these errors can be resolved with simple steps. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date and give your a quick restart. Sometimes the oldest tricks are truly the most effective for clearing out temporary glitches.
Next up, we're going to ensure your core system files are healthy. Corrupted files can often be the root cause of elusive launch failures. Open your command prompt as an administrator and run a scan-out command. This will diligently check for and repair any damaged Windows system files that might be interfering.
A common culprit for games failing to launch is an issue with supporting software like DirectX or Visual Cre distributables. These are essential for rendering graphics and running game code seamlessly. Make sure you have the latest versions installed. For repairing existing installations, there's a simple reinstallation can often work wonders.
Finally, let's verify the integrity of your Stalker game files itself. Whether you're on Steam, Epic Games, or another launcher, there's usually an option to verify file integrity. This process scans your installation for missing or corrupted files and replaces them to ensuring every part of the game is exactly where it should be. It's like giving your game a thorough health check before it tries to run.